Welcome to Tech Solution.
How to connect Shark Robot Vacuum to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Reset your Shark Robot Wi-Fi connection. Turn off your Shark Robot Vacuum and unplug it from the power source. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then plug in the Wi-Fi router and turn it on. Wait for the Wi-Fi router to fully boot up and then turn on the Shark Robot Vacuum. Step 2. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength and bandwidth. Place your Shark Robot Vacuum close to your Wi-Fi router. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength on your phone or computer. If the signal is weak, try moving your Shark Robot Vacuum closer to the router. Step 3. Update your Shark Robot Vacuum's firmware. Open the Shark Clean app on your phone. Tap on the Settings option. Scroll down and select Firmware Update. If there is a new firmware update available, follow the instructions to download and install it. Step 4. Check your network security settings. Open your Wi-Fi router settings on your computer. Check if your Wi-Fi network uses a security protocol like WPA2 or WEP. If your network is using WEP, change it to WPA2. If your network is using WPA2, try switching to WPA3. Step 5. Reset your Shark Robot Vacuum. Turn off your Shark Robot Vacuum and unplug it from the power source. Press and hold the dock and max buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Release the buttons when the power light on your Shark Robot Vacuum flashes. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then turn on the Shark Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching.